How to send Snapchat like quick video on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send Snapchat like quick video, that is basically a snap video, on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your WhatsApp. After you're on your WhatsApp, simply choose this camera icon on the bottom right. After you select that, you can then record the video like this. And after you record the video, this is what you'll get. From here, you can make edits like you want. You can see the videos and you can crop it as well. You can add a caption. And when you send it just like this, it'll just go and sit there like a video that we normally send in other chats. What you'll have to do is tap on this one icon right besides add caption, and this will set it to a single view. So now if I send it like this, it's gonna go like a snap. And it's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.